The packages that Princess Cruises offers have such an amazing value. Today we're going to look at the Princess Plus package, which is $60 US per person per day at the time of filming. This package is extremely popular because it includes 3 major things that most people want during their cruise anyway. First is the beverage package. This includes all drinks up to $15. This is bottled water, beer, wine, specialty coffee, your mocktails, your cocktails, any drink that is up to $15 is included in your Plus package. The second major thing is the internet package. So this includes 1 device to be used per person. So each person in the cabin gets 1 device to use during your entire cruise. And this, they've upgraded the internet recently to the Medallion Max, I think is what they've called it. So this is even better and faster speeds. The third thing they include in this is your crew appreciation. Now this is a non-optional optional charge that almost all cruise lines have, and it is like your gratuities. So Princess calls them the crew appreciation, but they're known as gratuities to most people. We get the standard package, so it's not included, so we choose to prepay, but you can also have it just added to your stateroom account. By having this just covered by your Princess Plus, you don't have to worry about it. You know that there's not going to be extra charges on your stateroom account for this. Now let's get into those little bit extra things beyond those big 3 things. So the first thing is the premium desserts. You get 2 of these per day, not per sailing, per day. Honestly, these are huge. So the cakes aren't that huge, but the ice creams, the gelato specialty ice creams are huge. They're gigantic. So most people will never eat 2 of these per day, but you can try. Next up is the casual dining meals. You get 2 per cruise. This is something I wish Princess would change because they have longer cruises that are say 11 or 13 nights and you only get 2, even though you get 2 if you do a 4-day cruise or a 7-day cruise. I think they need to change it to being 1 per 2 or 3 days or 1 per 4 days or something like that. They need to change it so that it's more equitable for those that are cruising for longer. But anyway, get off my soapbox. Anyway, these are your specialty pizzas and your pub. Those are the casual dining meals. So you do get 2 per cruise, might as well go use them. The food looks delicious, lots of different options. If you're like me, you will never use this, but you do get 2 fitness classes as well. These are included, again, 2 per cruise. So kind of the same thing as the casual dining where I wish they would do a 1 per X amount of days kind of thing. But if you're into fitness classes, you do get 2 per cruise, so you might as well go check them out. If you know me, this is one of the favorite things about Princess for me, and that is the Ocean Now delivery. This is included with your Plus package, $15 charge for those like me that are on the standard, but this is so worth it. This is the best thing about Princess. You can order food on your app to pretty much anywhere on the ship. Your stateroom, the buffet, we've ordered to the buffet. How funny is that? While you're sitting by the pool, while you're listening to karaoke. The only place that I've heard that it's an issue with ordering to is the theater. They don't really want you ordering food into the theater, but you can go to a bar outside the theater, order it there, then bring the food into the theater. Although it's kind of hard to eat while watching a show, but anyway, technically you could do it that way. I joke that the Ocean Now delivery is so easy that my daughter ordered pizza. Mind you, she didn't know what she was doing, but she was able to order pizza to us. Something also included in the Plus package is ordering room service from your stateroom phone. So if you're in your room and you don't want to use the app, you can pick up your stateroom phone and order in room service that way as well. So there you have everything included in the Princess Plus package. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite thing that's included, and go check out this video here because YouTube thinks you'll like it.